My name is Raihan Mirza, and today we are going to talk about the circulatory system. A little about myself: I graduated from Hunter College. I have a bachelor's degree in biochemistry. I worked at Albert Einstein College of Medicine as a research assistant, understanding the mechanisms of wound healing. I volunteer at Einstein Community Health Outreach. Right now, I'm a science teaching fellow for mentoring in medicine. My interests and hobby include reading and teaching, and I aspire to be a heart surgeon. The circulatory system is composed of your heart, blood vessels, and blood. What does your heart sound like? On the table, you will see a styrofoam cup with the bottom cut out. Everyone grab this cup and hold it against the chest of someone next to you. Place the cup right where the ribs come together. This will allow you to hear a person's heartbeat. What do you hear? You should hear a lub and a dub. This sound, lub and dub, is actually the sound of pumping of blood by the heart. The lub and dub is the opening and closing of the valves in the heart. Valves are like gates. Instead of moving people through the gate, we have blood moving through this gate. They open and close to keep blood going in one direction and prevent blood from moving backwards. The heart is a pump. What are some examples of pumps you see every day? A pool pump pumps water into a pool. A tire pump or a bike pump pumps air into a tire. A water gun pumps or squirts water. The heart pump pathway. The heart has a left side and a right side. When the right side is squeezed, it sends blood around to your lungs. That is where it gets oxygen and turns red. From there, it goes to the left side. When the left side is squeezed, it sends blood to all the other parts of your body. Then, from all the other parts of the body, it comes to the right side again. Whenever one side of the heart squeezes, one valve opens and another valve has to stay closed. Otherwise, the pump won't work. Lub is the strong push. Dub is the reloading push. Lub and dub, the sound of the heart valves opening and closing. Blood vessels. Blood flows from the heart to our blood vessels. Your heart pumps blood all around your body through three types of blood vessels. Arteries takes blood away from the heart. Veins bring it back into the heart. Capillaries connect the two. Arteries start with A, so they bring blood away from the heart. Veins has the word in it, so they bring blood into the heart. Blood vessels near your heart are like a big highway. As the blood goes away from the heart, it ends up in smaller and smaller blood vessels like streets. Every cell in your body sits next to a really small blood vessel called a capillary. The capillary is like a driveway. The cells in your body are like houses. Blood brings nutrients and oxygen to every cell, and every cell puts waste products like carbon dioxide back into the bloodstream. Blood. The bloodstream is like a river that is 100,000 kilometers long, a river that would stretch 2.5 times around the earth. To stay alive, our bodies use the bloodstream to carry food and oxygen and waste. In our blood, we have two types of blood cells: red blood cells and white blood cells. Red blood cells carry oxygen. White blood cells are like cops in your bloodstream. They look around your body for viruses and bacteria that cause infection and stop them from happening. Normally, your blood flows through your blood vessels, but once in a while, you might injure yourself. You might get a cut and your blood vessels spring a leak. When that happens, some of your blood comes out through the injury hole. Your blood carries special proteins called platelets. These proteins stick to the sharp edges of your torn blood vessels. They form what is called a blood clot. Blood clot like these are good. But if you have big deposits of fat in one of your blood vessels and a blood clot comes along and a blood clot sticks to the fat, then your blood can't flow through your blood vessels. It jams up. then the muscles down the line can't get enough oxygen. If this happens to be a blood vessel that leads to your heart, well, it can give you a heart attack. Blood clots are good, but blood clots and fatty deposits on blood vessels near your heart are bad. Don't take too much fat or cholesterol, otherwise, blood clots will be stuck on them.